Hey, sweetie. Good morning. How's your sleep? That's good. I'm glad. I'm glad your sleep is good. How's your, how's your stomach doing? It's good. That's good. How's your head? Do you still have the headache? No? That's good, baby. I'm glad you're feeling better. No, sweetie, is there anything I can get you? Anything whatsoever? Yeah? Maybe like some water, or I can make you breakfast. What about a purse? Any purse you want. Or a car. I mean, the other day I saw you eyeing a Lamborghini. Or maybe like a brand new yacht. Do you want a brand new yacht? Yeah? No, you just want to lie down here and cuddle with me? Yeah, I can do that. You know, pretty soon, it's gonna be the three of us. Me, you, and the baby. I know. I know. I think it's crazy too. I really never thought in a million years that I would be a father. It's crazy, but I can honestly tell you that it really is a dream come true. And it makes me so happy. I know, baby. I know it's scary. It is. But everything's gonna be okay. Alright? Your baby's gonna be so beautiful. Everything's gonna be okay. You have me. We have each other. And we're gonna have a beautiful baby. And everything's gonna be okay. Because we'll always have each other. Let me touch your belly. Your skin's so soft. I think I can feel the baby moving. It's kicking a little bit. I feel it. I know. It's wild. We're gonna be parents. We're gonna have a family. I know, it's super crazy. It's wild. I still can't believe it. No, sweetie. Don't worry, okay? Don't worry. Everything's gonna be okay. You don't have to worry, okay? You really don't. You're gonna be a good mother. You're gonna be a great mother, okay? I know. I know that you're gonna be a good mother. Well, number one, you're just so caring. Number two, you're just so loving. Number three, you're just so nurturing. And that's why I think you're gonna be such a good mother. You're gonna be perfect, okay? So don't worry. You don't need to worry, okay? Everything's gonna be fine. Of course. Of course. Of course I'm gonna be a good husband and a good father. I can promise you that I'm gonna be the best father. The absolutely best father I can be. I'm gonna love you and raise our baby. I'm gonna protect you and love you and take care of you guys. Because you guys are my everything. I remember when I first saw you. And I thought you were the most beautiful girl in the world. I was so scared. I was so scared to approach you. I was nervous. But I'm glad I did. And when you gave me a number, I was shocked and excited at the same time. And when we went on our first day, I fell madly in love with you. I really did. I still remember. And I still remember what you wore. I remember the perfume you were wearing. I can still smell it today. You were just so kind, so caring, so nurturing. And that day I knew you were the one that I wanted to spend my life with. And here we are now. We're gonna have a family together. I know it's such a wild journey, but I'm glad. I'm glad I get to spend this journey with you. I love you so much, sweetheart. No, the baby's kicking. Are you okay? It hurts a little bit. Hmm. Let me give you that warm water bottle, yeah. I'll go and grab that warm water bottle for you. Give me 1 second. No, here you go, sweetie. I got you your heated water bottle. Here, let me put it on your belly for you. There you go. Doesn't that feel nice? It does, huh? Of course, baby, I'll do anything for you and the baby. Absolutely anything. Yeah, let's cuddle. Come here close. Good. Just like that. You know, you got the most beautiful eyes I have ever seen in my life. Your eyes are honestly really something special. Trust me, I'm not saying this to impress you. It's just the way they sparkle, you know, when you talk about something you love. I mean, they're kind of distracting sometimes, but I can honestly tell you I don't mind it. I mean, like, who wouldn't get lost in your eyes? I get lost in your eyes, like, all the time. And sometimes when the light just hits it just right, they glow. They have this unique beauty to them. I can't help but notice it, honestly. But honestly, sweetie, you should be really, 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 really careful. Because with eyes like those, you might steal someone's heart without even trying. I know that you stole my heart. You know, you got the most beautiful lips in the world. They are. Your lips are beautiful. There's something about them that just draws me in. When you smile, it lights up the whole room. And everything just fades away. I can't help but feel so lucky to be with you. And when you speak, I can listen to you for hours. Your beautiful voice combined with the way your lips move just mesmerizes me. Makes everything you say feels so special. And I want you to know how much I appreciate you as a whole. I do. And your lips are not just beautiful.